back to my channel. On today's episode, we're going to be making carrot cake. This is going to be a moist, flavorful, and delicious carrot cake. You're going to enjoy making this at home because it's one of the richest desserts you can make at home and it's very easy. Alright, before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below, comment, like, and turn off your notification. Turn on your post notification bell so that you can get notifications for when I post a video. Alright, grab your baking bowls, wash those hands, and let's get right into baking. Essentially, for this recipe, you're gonna only need one bowl. This is why it's so easy. So we're gonna get a 3/4 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and we're gonna add Greek yogurt. I add Greek yogurt to add richness and flavor to our dessert. Alright, now we've mixed the yogurt and sugar together. We're gonna add eggs. 4 eggs. When you're putting all your 4 eggs, we're gonna add in vanilla extract. I'm gonna eye gauge mine. Normally you just need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. At this point, I'm just gonna use my hand mixer and mix this all in. You don't have to do it. If you have a whisk, just whisk this in and it's gonna work just fine. So I'm just gonna mix this in and I'll be right back. That is mixed in. I'm gonna add a 3/4 cup of olive oil. This is to add extra moist to our cake because our carrot cake needs that moist. So I'm gonna mix this all in. Next, we're gonna mix in raisins. Here's a 1/2 cup of raisins. And the most important part, our carrots. We're gonna put this all in. And we're gonna all mix this together. I know people at this point, they normally put like nuts, pecans, walnuts. You could do all that, but I really don't have any pecan or walnuts. So I'm just gonna stick to what I have. Next is to mix our dry ingredients. You're gonna get your flour. Here I have 2 cups of flour. I keep mixing it all in. Okay. Next, I'm gonna add baking powder. I have 2 teaspoons, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, salt. Salt is to enhance the flavor and balance the taste. Nutmeg to add flavor, and cinnamon also to add flavor. We're gonna mix this all in with our dry ingredients, and we're gonna mix. You could use a whisk, but I'm just gonna use a hand mixer and mix it all together. We're gonna mix this all in. So easy. Make a carrot cake. We're done. Like, this is literally all it takes to make a carrot cake. Don't forget not to overmix when you're doing all this, okay? Alright. It's time to pour our batter into our well-greased pan. And don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. So we're gonna put this all in. And I forgot to mention, and I used vegetable oil instead of butter, just so I could add my carrot cake will have extra moisture. Plus the Greek yogurt as well, that adds extra moisture to your cake. Okay, so I'm just gonna add in this into this batter. I'm gonna add my batter into my pan. The hardest thing to do when baking carrot cake is literally to like grate the carrots. Grating carrots are like stressful, but making the cake is very easy. So we're gonna bake this at 375 for 40 to 45 minutes and we'll be done. All right, so our carrot cake is finally done. So I'm just gonna put a toothpick in, make sure it comes out clean, then you know it's done. So I'm gonna just slide this out. Let's take a look at how smooth this is. Yes. I'm gonna rest this here. We're gonna let this cool.
So while your cake is cooling, you can make your frosting. Cream cheese frosting normally pairs well with carrot cake. I didn't make one for this video, but if you'd like to see a tutorial for that, just leave a comment down below. At this point, normally you're meant to leave your cake to cool before you cut in, but as you can see guys, I couldn't wait. I was ready to dig in. Our cake came out moist, soft, and definitely delicious. Just take a look at that. Look at the steam. I enjoy watching the steam, and that aroma was worth it. Alright guys, be sure to try this quick and easy recipe at home. This is a picture of it with cream cheese. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more content. Thank you.